Let's get connected with Remote Expert after doing our vehicle scan. So we're going to click on the Remote Expert tab. And click OK. That kind of brings us back to that home screen. You can also come into Remote Expert here from this tab if you're at the home screen. All right, so here it gives you your information, the vehicle's information, what service you want done. So we're just going to do a vehicle scan. Whether it's a pre-scan or post-scan, we'll go ahead and make this a pre-scan. All right, now that we're opened up to the Remote Expert screen, we can see some information about ourselves, the vehicle, and then what we want done. Module replacement, you can click on that. Ask you if it's OEM parts or aftermarket parts. You can click on maintenance. Retrofit, ADAS calibration. It'll ask you placement of the targets. We'll just hit continue. Or vehicle scan. Vehicle scan asks you pre or post. Let's go ahead and select pre-scan. From here, we can select an expert. Oh, look at there. Let's go ahead and pick Anthony. You can set him as a favorite. All right, so let's go ahead and pick and hit OK. It automatically uploaded our diagnostic report from our scan that we did earlier. And then here we're going to type in what we want done. And then we'll hit submit. You can also use the order passcode function where it will make you pick a number that the expert has to enter in on his side. Order's been posted. Let's take a look on what it looks like on the expert side in the next video.